Get ready, tech fans. From Apple's groundbreaking iPhone Air, we're diving deep into the innovations shaping your digital world. We're also talking about the latest on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and breaking down the Apple Watch Series 11, aluminum or titanium, which is your perfect match. Plus, don't miss the hot deal on the Series 11 at Amazon. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Subscribe and hit that bell. Apple's ultra-slim iPhone Air is here. Apple's Senior Vice President of Hardware Engineering, John Ternus, has spilled the beans on the revolutionary iPhone Air, a device years in the making. Ternus revealed that the incredibly thin 5.6mm design was made possible by integrating Apple's own A19 Pro, C1X, and N1 chips, which offer unparalleled efficiency for great battery life. He shared his personal, wow moment was holding the iPhone Air for the first time, noting a universal positive reaction from users. Ternus also hinted at the possibility of a folding iPhone in the future, stating, "Who's to say?" and suggesting that technologies developed for products like the iPhone Air will find their way into new formats. He compared the iPhone Air's positioning to the MacBook Air, offering a premium experience in a new form factor, while also pushing the iPhone 17 Pro models to be even more pro. For health enthusiasts, Ternus highlighted the new center stage front camera, which automatically adjusts the frame for selfies and supports portrait landscape modes without rotating the phone, a feature he believes will completely change that experience. He also emphasized Apple's commitment to empowering users with health data from devices like the Apple Watch and AirPods, citing features like sleep apnea detection and hypertension notifications. Fans are buzzing about the potential for a folding iPhone and the innovative tech packed into the super slim Air. But what does this mean for the future of wearables? And is Samsung ready to challenge Apple's dominance in the smartwatch arena? Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic sees massive price drop. In a significant move to counter the latest Apple Watch releases, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has hit an all-time low price, now available for $446 after a $54 discount. Launched just last July, this aggressive pricing so soon after its release suggests Samsung is aiming to capture market share against Apple's new offerings. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is praised for its high-quality, traditional watch-like aesthetic, making it a stylish choice for those who don't want their smartwatch to scream tech gadget. Beyond its looks, it offers all the expected smartwatch functionalities, including seamless integration with Samsung phones, notification management, an AI assistant, and advanced health tracking for sleep and workouts. This deal makes a premium smartwatch exceptionally accessible, especially for existing Samsung users looking for an integrated tech experience. Tech enthusiasts and bargain hunters are already snapping up this deal, recognizing the exceptional value. But is it enough to sway users from the latest Apple innovations? We're also diving into the details of Apple's newest wearable, the Series 11. Apple Watch Series 11, aluminum versus titanium, your ultimate guide. The Apple Watch Series 11 is here, building on its predecessor with key upgrades in durability, connectivity, and sustainability. Apple has simplified its lineup, discontinuing the stainless steel model and offering aluminum and titanium finishes. The aluminum version comes in space gray, silver, rose gold, and jet black with INX glass, while the titanium boasts natural, gold, and slate finishes with tougher sapphire crystal. Both models now feature 40% recycled glass in the display. While slightly heavier due to internal upgrades, the Series 11 offers enhanced durability with its tougher glass materials. Powering the device is the S10 chipset, ensuring smooth performance, and cellular models now feature 5G connectivity for faster communication. Battery life has seen a significant boost, lasting up to 24 hours, with faster charging capabilities reaching 80% in just 30 minutes. The Series 11 also supports dual-band Wi-Fi. New watch faces and WatchOS 26 features, including enhanced health tracking like blood oxygen monitoring and improved workout metrics, further elevate the user experience. Importantly, all previous Apple Watch bands remain compatible, with new silicone and sport loop options available. For Series 10 users, the upgrade might be incremental unless 5G or extended battery life are crucial. But for those with older models, the Series 11 is a substantial leap forward in performance and resilience. Viewers are debating which material offers the best value and durability for their lifestyle. Still unsure about the Series 11? We've got a special offer that might just make up your mind. Score big, Apple Watch Series 11 now $10 off at Amazon. For those eyeing the latest in wearable technology, a fantastic deal has landed. The Apple Watch Series 11 is now available for $10 less at Amazon. Released in fall 2023, the Series 11 boasts significant enhancements, including advanced health monitoring with improved heart rate and blood oxygen tracking, plus new sleep quality features and more workout types. Its refined design includes customizable faces and new band options, built with durable materials like aerospace-grade aluminum and ceramic, and enhanced water and dust resistance. While battery life remains up to 18 hours, the overall user experience is elevated by watchOS 10, featuring the intuitive smart stack and new health metrics. This $10 discount, while seemingly small, makes this feature-rich smartwatch more accessible, especially with the holiday season approaching. It positions the Series 11 as a highly competitive option against other market players, offering a compelling upgrade from older models, particularly the Series 10, with its superior health sensors and design. This deal is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their tech or find a great gift. And that wraps up our tech deep dive for today. But before you go, let's quickly recap the biggest stories you need to know. From the revolutionary iPhone Air and its groundbreaking tech, to the massive discount on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the detailed breakdown of the Apple Watch Series 11's aluminum versus titanium options, plus that sweet $10 deal at Amazon, we've covered it all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WatchWire News for all your essential tech updates, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and drop a comment below telling us what you think. And for more exclusive content, follow us on all our social media channels.